but hint to mint. Hi guys! Every week we post a video on the most trending market news that you should all know. Today we'll be discussing about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the very hot topic this week. This company has attracted many investors these days. So let's get insights about why this company drew the attention of so many investors. Stay tuned for more latest updates of the share market. Watch this video till the end to know what I did. You will come to know if I have participated in the OFS or not, and I will tell you what future I am predicting. Please note that this is my personal opinion and I don't advise you to follow my strategies blindly. Please consult your financial planner before taking any investment decisions. This video is only for educational purposes. Let's begin with knowing a little about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, known as HAL, is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company. It is headquartered in Bangalore, India, and governed under the management of Indian Defence Ministry. It is a public sector undertaking. It was founded in the year 1940 as Hindustan Aircraft was renamed as Hindustan Aeronautics in 1964. The company is chaired by R. Madhavan. According to the stats of 2019, the company employs 28,000 plus people. The government-owned corporation is primarily involved in the operations of the aerospace and is currently involved in the design, fabrication and assembly of aircraft, jet engines, helicopters and their spare parts. The HAL HF-24 Marut fighter bomber was the first fighter aircraft made in India. To name a few products of this company, HAL, Tejas, Dhruv, Rudra, Rastam-H and HAL-26 Pushpak. Let us also understand what is OFS. Offer for sale is a simple method of selling shares of a company through the exchange platform for listed companies. Government generally uses this measure to divest its shareholding on the public sector undertakings. The OFS mechanism is used only when existing shares are put on the block. Only promoters or shareholders with more than 10% of the share capital in a company can participate in OFS. In an OFS, a minimum of 25% of the shares offered are reserved for mutual funds and insurance companies. A minimum of 10% of the offer size is reserved for retail investors. A seller can offer a discount to retail investors either at the bid price or on the final allotment price. Let's look at the company's financials now. The company's price to earning ratio is 11.66. Price to book value is 2.55 and price to sales is 1.57. The company has return on equity of 24.02%. Debt to equity ratio stands at 43.53 and the total revenue is 215.22 billion. In 1 year, HAL share has risen 81% and grown 61% since the beginning of this year. The stock has gained 32.44% in a month. The company's financials are very sound and the economic conditions of the country indicate towards a really positive growth for this company. In March 2020, the company's share price stood around Rs 470 only. As soon as the government announced its vision of Make in India scheme for even defense sector, the company's share prices started rising. Government also raised FDI limit in defense production to 74% from 49% in May 2020. And then the company has made a high of Rs 1423 on 13th August 2020. The share prices then made a correction when OFS was announced. HAL shares fell by 13% after government's announcement. Government planned to sell 15% of the stake in the company, that is 501,58125 shares of the company. Out of these, 20% of the shares were reserved for retail investors. Retail investor means an individual who places bids for shares of total value not more than Rs 2 lakh. The floor price was set at Rs 1001. The allocation shall be at or above the floor price on price priority basis at multiple clearing prices, except in the case of retail investors, who shall have an option to bid at the cutoff price and for whom the final allocation price will be below the floor price. This is done on account of retail discount. Retail investors were given a discount of 5% the cutoff price. The employees were given further 5%. The employees were eligible to apply for equity shares up to Rs 2 lakh. Now, as promised, I would like to tell you guys what my personal opinion is. I definitely participated in the OFS because I feel because of what is happening in the economy, India is going towards Make in India movement more. And since we are abandoning Chinese products, or at least trying to, this share has a very good and promising future. It is a very good advantage for all of those people who participated in OFS, as this will turn out to be a good long-term investment. I'm of this personal opinion for all shares, not just this one, that you should always try to buy a share for investment. However, if the market allows, you can try and trade for a bit in between to take advantage of the market fluctuations. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Hint to Mint. Also, don't forget to comment in the comment section below if there's any particular topic on which you want us to make videos. Till then, adios.